Well, I, well, I cannot believe how well this worked. Um, I was worried about how am I going to run the wires so water doesn't leak into the cabin, so I don't destroy the car. And I started thinking, there's got to be a way. Honda is the shit, especially the Element. You look at this vehicle, and the top plastic part on the back is held on there with two screws. One over by here, and there's one over here. You know, I'll show you later. So I took the cover off, and there's a water channel that runs here. And I said, well, the wires will fit in there. And then I put, you'll see in the next picture, this is what it looks like. And then on this picture in here, you'll see I put some tie wraps with double-sided tie wrap, holder. So let's move to the next one. This is the screw that's underneath of this here. Okay. There's the tie wrap things. And this is where the wire comes out. And so, yeah, there's a little bit of a gap here, but usually water's not going to get in there. This is what the final product looks like. Look at that. How perfect of a job is that? You can't even tell. If it wasn't a red wire, you wouldn't even notice that. I might put some heat shrink tubing or something so nobody even notices it. But look at that. The wire's underneath. There's still space and everything. The wire comes out here. It doesn't get crushed by the insulation, the weather stripping. And this is where the wire comes back and then runs alongside of the camper right into the back of the EcoFlow. Boy, I tell you, you could not ask for anything better. That is the best wiring job ever. Nobody drilling holes for the panel. Nobody drilling holes for the wiring or nothing. I mean, Honda, I just love this vehicle so much. It is so flexible. It's so amazing. So that's how you run a wire for a solar panel with a Honda Element. Thanks for watching, and there's still more coming.